An AI-generated post for your viewing pleasure. What if borrowing just a little money could significantly boost farming efficiency? This intriguing research paper dives deep into that question, revealing how financial decisions among farmers impact their agricultural productivity. Let's get into the findings. Welcome! Today, we're focusing on a fascinating research paper from Peking University that examines the influence of borrowing behavior on agricultural efficiency among farmers. We'll explore the study's aims, methodology, key findings, and its limitations. Let's dive into the detail. The research paper aims to investigate how farmers' borrowing decisions affect their technical efficiency in agriculture. Specifically, it seeks to determine the links between financial behavior, resource allocation, and productivity levels in farming. The researchers crafted hypotheses to assess whether access to loans enhances farming output, especially for those in lower income brackets. To achieve its objectives, the study employed robust quantitative methods, analyzing data collected from various farming households. The methodology included regression analyses designed to quantify the relationship between borrowing amounts and agricultural efficiency indicators. By isolating variables such as household income, educational background, and farm size, the researchers aimed to establish clear, actionable insights from the data. Key findings from the study revealed a positive correlation between borrowing and technical efficiency. Farmers who accessed loans demonstrated higher productivity compared to those who did not. This efficiency boost was particularly pronounced among low-income farmers, indicating that financial assistance plays a critical role in optimizing production capabilities for the most resource-constrained operators. Furthermore, the paper identifies that loans help farmers invest in better seeds, advanced equipment, and training programs, which collectively contribute toward greater yield. This aspect emphasizes the importance of financial support in fostering agricultural innovation. By facilitating access to modern farming practices, borrowing acts as a catalyst for improved productivity. The paper also delves into how household characteristics influence the effectiveness of borrowing. For instance, younger and more educated farmers tend to maximize the benefits of loans better than their older, less educated counterparts. This finding suggests that knowledge and age are significant factors determining how effectively financial resources can improve farm output. Transitioning to the limitations, the researchers acknowledge that their study is based on a specific geographic and temporal context. This localized focus may restrict the generalizability of the findings to other regions or farming environments. It raises questions about whether the observed effects hold true across different agricultural contexts, or if unique variables could induce varying results. Another noted limitation is that the dataset is rooted in a single year's observations, which may not capture the dynamic nature of agricultural productivity and borrowing interaction over time. Longitudinal studies would provide better insights into how these relationships evolve, offering a more comprehensive understanding of the impacts of borrowing on agricultural efficiency. Additionally, the paper outlines the need to account for external economic factors, such as market fluctuations and policy changes, that can significantly influence farmers' productivity independent of their borrowing decision. These elements stress the necessity for a more holistic approach to evaluating agricultural efficiency in relation to financial behaviors. Understanding these complexities can deepen insights into farmer decision-making processes and outcomes. As we reflect on the methodology, it's worth noting that the researchers employed advanced statistical modeling techniques to derive their conclusions, enhancing their credibility. These models allow for a nuanced analysis of how different factors can lead to varied outcomes in agricultural efficiency, framing a compelling narrative around the importance of borrowing. Moreover, the use of varied metrics to assess technical efficiency presents a multifaceted view of productivity. The researchers considered diverse indicators such as crop yield per hectare and resource optimization rates, leading to a comprehensive understanding of what agricultural productivity truly entails. This approach bolsters the study's findings by providing layered evidence of the impact of borrowing. In conclusion, the research paper from Peking University provides valuable insights into the relationship between borrowing and agricultural efficiency. It highlights how financial behavior can significantly enhance productivity, particularly among low-income farmers, and sheds light on various factors that influence the effectiveness of loan. However, acknowledging the study's limitations is essential for a balanced perspective on its findings. Before we wrap up, I encourage everyone to consider the implications of agricultural loans, especially in terms of how they empower farmers and contribute to food security. What do you think about the effectiveness of financial support in farming? Your thoughts and questions can help foster further dialogue on this pertinent topic. I invite you to share them in the comments. Overall, this paper successfully outlines the significant links between borrowing behavior and agriculture, presenting actionable findings for policymakers and practitioners alike. It underscores that lending practices can enhance efficiency, leading to better agricultural outcomes. The study is a reminder of the critical role that financial access plays in transforming agricultural practices. As research continues to evolve, it will be crucial to monitor these dynamics and explore further how borrowing mechanisms can be optimized to benefit all farmers, regardless of their economic status. Thank you for your interest in this research paper. We hope this breakdown enhances your understanding of the nuanced connections between borrowing and agricultural efficiency. Remember, this video is for informational purposes and should not be considered medical or financial advice. To dive deeper into similar studies and research insights, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay updated on our latest discussions.